How many words can be formed with the letters of the word Pataliputra without changing the relative order of the vowels and consonants? Now, the relative order of the vowels and consonants. So therefore, let's write down the relative order. So it will be consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, then consonant, consonant, vowel. So we have a total of six consonants and five vowels. Now we want to find out the total number of words formed with the given letters with the relative position unchanged. So therefore, consonants have to be there in the same position and vowels also have to be in the same position. So therefore, they can be arranged in 6 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial ways. But if you see the word Patliputra, you will observe that P is repeated 2 times, A is repeated 3 times, and T is again repeated 2 times. So whenever a alphabet is repeated, we have to divide by that much factorial. So therefore, it becomes 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 2 factorial. So therefore, let's solve this. 6 factorial, that is 720. 5 factorial, that is 120, divided by 2 into 6 into 2. So the denominator is 24. 24 5s are 120. So therefore, answer comes out as 3600. That is option